Hey Perry Hall, I wanted to take a moment to show you how our Destiny Discover homepage has updated in several ways during our time at home, so you will easily find our ebooks. First, they've conveniently moved all of our ebooks and interactive ebooks to the top. You could click See All to browse all of our ebooks, or you can scroll down just past that to find our collections. To make things a little easier while you explore, I collected many of our ebooks and put them into these categories to help you find exactly what you want. It's easy to see if the ebooks you want are available. Just look for the corner icons: green for in, red for out, and blue for unlimited copies. For more information about an ebook, just click on the image or the title. When you open an ebook, you have exclusive use of it until you close it, or if it's inactive for 15 minutes. Think of this in the same way as if you found something interesting in our actual library. You can open any book that looks interesting to you, and no one could take it while it's in your hands. With that said, to access your ebook later, it's best to check it out. I recommend actually clicking Checkout first, because there have been times I've opened a book that I become interested in, but then forget to check it out, and someone else swoops in and takes it. So let's say you found your ebook. You'll find that there are many digital tools that have greatly improved over the past few years to help you, but to keep this video short, I'm only going to focus on a couple. If you've only opened your ebook, you can check it out without leaving the page with the first icon at the top that looks like a book with a check mark. One thing I absolutely love about the majority of our ebooks is their ability to read aloud. Before clicking the triangle play button, you'll need to adjust the audio options. The first two Microsoft voices are okay, but sound sort of robotic. So instead, if you click on normal speed, you can have Google do the audio, which sounds excellent. Play with these options and the rest to figure out what works best for you and which tools you can deal without. When you're back on the Destiny homepage, you can open or return your checked out ebooks from the Destiny Discover main menu in the top left corner. My options probably look a little different from your own screen, and so when you have time, definitely explore some of these menu options yourself. For now, look for and click on the check mark with the word Checkouts. On this page, you'll find any of the ebooks you're checking out at home. You might also find other library books you may have already checked out, maybe a book for your ELA novel unit, and also your BCPS laptop device, which probably has a different name than mine, but something similar will be on your screen. If you forget to return your ebook, don't worry about it. It's automatically returned at the end of the loan period. That's it. We're done. That's all, folks. It's relatively simple and it gets easier every time. The important thing is to explore.